how this electrostatic charge is working. Okay. What is that? Actually, electric charges we will have two types. One we will call it as a positive electric charge, and another we will call it as a negative electric charge. Actually, this electric charge normally it will be produced by friction only. By friction, when one object is rubbed over the other object. So, what we can write is first we can write charge. Electric charge.
My friend, can you mute your mic because mom's voice is not clear.
Is of two types. Two types. That is the positive electric charge and negative electric charge. Positive electric charge and negative electric charge. Right. And this it is produced by friction when one object is rubbed over the. So point two is this is produced by friction. Produced by friction when one object is rubbed over another object. Another object. Okay.
Mom, in plastic sheet.
Yes, plastic sheet and even in when you are drying the sari in terrace during summer season, after bringing the sari, after drying, if you bring to home at evening 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, no, if you open that sari, no, you can see some sparkles will come from the sari. Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and also in cars, ma'am, when we sit, no, ma'am, there will be a small handle, ma'am, in the door. There it will be, ma'am. Electrostatic force, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We think kind of soft there, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's kind of tickling, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, in chats and all, there it will be there, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Like whenever we get plastic chairs, ma'am, like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. When we see it in the light, we will be soft. We will be upper ma'am. But if you
Our
don't,
hands and hair will go and attract to it, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, mostly leather and plastic chairs, ma'am.
Yes, that's true. That's true. What you're saying is correct on leather and plastic. Then somebody said the cycle stand. Cycle. Somebody said joke now. Cycle.
Ma'am, car handles, ma'am.
Car handles.
Yes, ma'am. In the door there will be a small handles, no, ma'am. That one, ma'am.
Okay. That means even in with the AC also it will be like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. I should try it. Yeah, that one. That I didn't know. Okay.
That black and plastic thing, ma'am. You can feel it there, ma'am.
ma'am, can you clear up that
Like
or
in the interior part, they just give it in a black color plastic thing, right, ma'am? That thing, if you keep your hand near it, you will feel it, ma'am.
Okay. Good.
ma'am,
Ah.
even if we spotted in the sunlight in the car light or the F1 box, ma'am, it's free there, ma'am. Some brown color substance.
Ma'am,
Even in atoms, ma'am.
Even in
Atoms, ma'am.
atoms, ma'am.
atoms. What is it then? What I
Ma'am, in atoms also electrostatic
Ma'am, is
force.
it atoms? We have electrostatic force, ma'am. Having protons and
day-to-day life and you are talking about some imaginary things, so I am unable to match it. Yeah. I tell you about the day-to-day life where we are seeing this electrostatic force.
Can you read these points once again, ma'am?
Yes. Actually, first one I should read. Okay. Electric charge is of two types. Electric charge is of two types: positive electric charge and negative electric charge. Positive electric charge and negative electric charge.
Yes, ma'am.
Second point, it is produced by friction. It is produced by friction when one object is rubbed over another object. It is produced by friction when one object is rubbed over another object. Any example you can write, because this example what I have written is my own experience. That is drying polyester saree in hot sun. Drying polyester saree in hot sun. Whatever you got that experience, that you can write. Okay. Then actually it is the electric force between the electric charges involved in it remains static. That is, it is a force between static. An electric force is actually an electrical force. Okay. An electrostatic force and electrostatic force is actually an electrostatic force is actually an electrical force between an electrostatic force is actually an electrical force because the electric charges involved in it, because the electric charges involved in it remain stationary. Remain stationary. And one question is, are we using this electrostatic force to help humankind in day-to-day life? Are we using this electrostatic force anywhere to help our...
Ma'am, we cannot say we are using it, ma'am. But we are having it, like, ma'am, we are just, I think you saw it in bikes, ma'am. We are floating, ma'am, actually, because between the surface and our feet is something we have electrostatic force, ma'am. That's what I heard, ma'am.
Okay.
So we are not actually
one use of electrostatic force in our day-to-day life. Are we using? Yes, I can say yes, we are using in our day-to-day life. Where? That question I want to answer.
Ma'am, rubbing our hands.
Tell me, Sudarshini.
Ma'am, by rubbing our hands.
No. Okay, rubbing our hands. Okay, during a very chill climate, we will rub our hands and we'll keep it in our cheek and all to make it warm. Okay, fine. That is.
Ma'am, is it there in printers, ma'am? Printers.
Repeat louder.
Is it available in printers or things like that?
Printer. No. Actually, in industries, they will have the chimney. No, chimney will be long tube.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for tea and all, they will do, ma'am.
They will release the smoke. Wait. In industries, the waste gases and all will be removed through the chimney to the atmosphere. Atmosphere only they will be releasing. Sometimes you can see the sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, then fly ash, dust particles. Many things will be released to the atmosphere and they are polluting the air. It is a pollution of the air. So what we can do is by this electrostatic technique, what they are doing means they are removing the dust, soot, and fly ash particle from the smoke coming out of the factories. So, but what is the thing is for to apply this machine, they have to spend lot and lot of electricity. Electricity bill will be very high when you are cleaning the chimney and cleaning the smokes from the factories. And that means you are absorbing that electrostatic, using their electrostatic force, they will absorb the soot particles, fly ash, and dust also, soot, dust, fly ash, everything they will absorb it. And that waste one, little of waste only they will be releasing. But what is the problem in that means they have to spend lot of money in cleaning the waste materials. That means in the form of electricity. So people will when the time of inspection they will switch on the electrostatic machine and they will clean the air. And when the inspection is not done, they will not switch off it. Simply they will send out the air. That is the problem. That is the problem in you.
Just me, please wait, ma'am. I cannot hear ma'am what ma'am says.
See, that is the problem in India. See, we have to follow the rules, means we have to follow the rules and regulations. When, see, again and again repeatedly telling it, your generation will not definitely will go for work. You will start a company. That is your scenario only. Because our generation, what we will do is study itself is a great job. Studying, getting education itself is difficult task for us. So we got it, and slowly we have improved, and we have come to the job. But your generation, getting education is not a difficult task because you are getting wonderful educations and your background is good. Your parents are very supportive. So in future, you will start a company. Whenever you are starting a company and you are employing some people for their job, means first you have to educate them how to take care of themselves when any accident takes place. Number one. Number two, where your factory is situated, that in and around people you have to educate them because anything, anytime, anything can happen. It may harm their life. So you have to tell what is the things to be happen. Suppose if this happens, this type of safety precaution you have to take. Like that, you have to educate the village people because village people they will not understand. Only by experience only they will learn. They will not go through the materials and all, no, what is available in Google and all. So any startup company, if you are doing, first educate your laborers, and next one you have to educate the people where your factory is situated. That is very 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 important. And anything is harming that water or air from your factory means you please may take at least 50% precaution to avoid that too much of damage to the environment. That is very very important. Okay, I hope you will keep it in your mind when you are starting a company, and at the time of cutting a ribbon, you have to think, oh, Nandini madam said like that in science class, so I have to take care of my factory people as well as my village people as well as the safety norms of the factory. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I just
Ma'am, you tell that, Ishan. You tell.
I just feel like when we use electrostatic force, ma'am, we have to use a lot of electricity. In producing electricity, also a lot of smoke is emitted right now.
Yes, that's true. Now that's why only they are shifting to nuclear power stations. But because there's a lot of damage is happening in thermal station only. Thermal station we are using coke. We are using coke, and the coke mines also is exhausted, and because it is a non-renewable source. No, we have to produce coke means we have to wait for million years. So the non-renewable source is exhausted, and because of the coke only, a lot of air pollution. Nowadays, the diesel engine is not there. Coal engine is not there, and thermal engine or thermal power station only it is presently running. And in future, we may depend 99% we will depend on solar energy as well as in nuclear power. Nuclear power station in Tamil Nadu, we are having two areas, one in Kalpakkam and one in Kudangalam, and they are producing lot and lots of megawatts of electricity they are producing, and we are supplying to other states also. Bengaluru and all we are supplying. So future it may be made. But one thing in nuclear power station is that waste disposal is very.
Yes, ma'am. You get a radioactive waste, ma'am. They have to they just throw it into trenches in the sea, or they store it somewhere underground, ma'am.
Underground.
More radio.
Yes.
Ma'am, but it will cause soil, no, ma'am. Some
No, that's
soil pollution. Yes, soil
If they
pollution.
take any precaution, it won't happen like that.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, there is no alternative for coal, ma'am.
No alternative. No alternative for
Okay, ma'am.
don't have.
Ma'am, how do you throw static force in electric motors?
Which one?
Electric motors?
Electric motors. That is between magnet, two magnets.
Yes, ma'am. Magnet, two magnets, ma'am.
Between two magnets, you'll have the coil, and using that cutting of the magnetic force of lines, you will have it. Now I'll show the video. AB, your face is there. Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
See? There is a static electricity.
Ma'am,
Plastic plates, ma'am.
Thermocol plate.
ma'am, actually I have saw this video one time in the YouTube, ma'am. I don't know when I saw it.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
it's lockdown only, ma'am.
I
I saw
had
it.
Ma'am, hard race also will be there.
Ma'am, this in Ninja Hattori, there will be, ma'am, this one.
You watch, afterwards we'll talk.
thermocol paper இருக்கா
தெர்மாக்கோல் தான் இருக்கு தெர்மாக்கோல் பேப்பர் தெர்மாக்கோல்
thermocol அந்த இது இருக்கும்ல பிளேட் இருக்கா
கீழே இருக்கு
thermocol plate
பிளேட்டா இருக்காது நீங்க இருந்தா ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க கடைக்கு வாங்க
அது ஆக்டிவிட்டி
தெர்மாக்கோல் பிளேட் தான் பத்தி தெர்மாக்கோல் கட் பண்ண அப்படியே பிளேட்டா வீடியோ அது
எப்படி பறக்குது
பண்ணு
It's 9 hours.
See what a nice activity for electrostatic friction, no?
With what probe they are rubbing, ma'am? Mom, actually, I can't even believe my eyes, ma'am.
Woolen cloth. I will send it. I will send it.
Mom, actually, I can't even believe my eyes, ma'am.
Okay. This is regarding friction. Friction.
Friction is the force that moves motions in surfaces of contact. There are at least four types of friction: static, rolling, and fluid friction. Static sliding and rolling friction refers to solids, and fluid friction refers to liquids. Static friction occurs when an object is resting on a surface. The static friction triggers units allows it to shift. When you rub your hands together, you experience sliding friction. When you ride a bike, you depend on the rolling friction. And skydiving depends on fluid friction. Air, and hopefully air should open to slow down. Friction is used in every application. Sometimes you want a great deal of friction, like the grip power of tires. And other times, like when you go skating, you want low friction, so that you can glide across the ice. Most land vehicles rely on friction for acceleration and changing friction. And fluid friction contributes to aerodynamic drag, which is resistance to forward motion, so that race cars are slipping aerodynamic to reduce this fluid friction and go faster. Your shoes provide friction which allows you to move forward. Also, if the friction is really low, like on ice, it's challenging to drive a car because of the low friction. Skis on snow work the same way, and low friction allows the ski to glide quickly over the ice surface. Sandpaper, however, on the other hand, works because its surface increases the amount of friction. Wax is applied to surfboards to increase friction, and you put oil on chains and gears to decrease friction. And this allows the chain to work more efficiently. And finally, the wheels on this skateboard create a great deal of friction and allows it to go up and down. If you'd like to know more about friction, this playlist will help. And as always, thanks for watching. And move math upwards, math and science. Please subscribe.
And one more. You see, this one I enjoyed this activity. Copper wire, magnet, and
Yes, ma'am, I know, ma'am. I know.
so nice, so nice. Nice, no? This activity.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the activity has only science statement.
Ah, what is that? Now we'll see some regarding air pressure. This you tried, many of them tried.
Ma'am, I think Sanjit tried this one.
Yes, ma'am, it is same one.
Yes, ma'am.
So nice, no? This activity.
Because of that pressure.
Because of the pressure exerted by that. Okay. Yes. Now we will come to our other part of the lesson. So today we have seen whatever the video I want to show that I have shown. Next we will go for gravitational force. Okay? Gravity.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, in the first video, we even saw a lot of examples of induction, ma'am.
yes. It's regarding this gravitational force. Actually, Newton only said that every object in this world is universe is pulls every other object with a certain force.
Yes, ma'am.
And great English by Newton. Newton said that Newton said that
Ma'am, right side of the board is not visible, ma'am.
that's the thing I'm repeating. I'm repeating the sentences. Newton said that every object that every object in this universe, Newton said that every object in this universe pulls every other object pulls every other object for the certain with a certain force. Newton said that every object in this universe pulls every other object with a certain force.
Ma'am, Benny Davis, ma'am.
Hmm.
For what is the there is any magnetic force in that Bermuda's reactor, ma'am? Because he's saying something is floating reactor. That's why I'm asking.
Who can answer that question?
Ma'am, I don't understand the question.
Even I didn't get it.
If ma'am, can she repeat it?
Repeat once again.
Ma'am, what is the secret of that Bermuda's reactor? Since if anybody goes there, they will not return, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's a myth, ma'am. Actually, that's a myth.
Actually,
It's not
why
a myth.
like it's a place where nothing can be predicted what's gonna happen. That's why many accidents occur.
No, I've read the full story, ma'am, in Ancient Aliens. So they said like it's actually not really aliens anyway. They said like there was a big, like a big continent over there, ma'am. Because of some volcanic eruption or tsunami, something like that, the full continent was completely drowned in water. Now at that place only we have this water kind of that and all. So we have
He's saying about Atlantis now.
Actually, we have the photograph of that and all, so that's why we have proof for that. So no one can say it's not possible. And one more thing, ma'am,
So if what's the problem if the continent is inside the water?
yeah, I understand because you have mountains inside water because that volcanic eruption is happening. You can't ask why volcanic eruption is happening right? The same manner. Just say there is the solid earth.
Whatever it is, I think it's a flood. Whatever it is, I think it's a flood.
What I think is basically that what happens inside that triangle, nothing can be predicted. That's the main reason. Now also there are some transport ships going that way, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
There is a usual transportation, then nothing happens, but sometimes the climate there totally changes because we cannot predict. So we go there and we get lost. That's it now.
Ma'am, the same question which Sudashni asked, many researchers also asked the same, ma'am. That's why they even made a research on that. So they even there are places near Bombay Triangle, ma'am. They face the same problem. Nearly like daily they get storms, cyclones and all. So that's why they say the weather condition of that place is still like that.
Okay.
It's actually the mistake a lot of people later. So there is stocks there is unpredictable, ma'am. So that's why a lot of vehicles have gone lost there, ma'am. But some of the authors who have written about it, they have like taken it in their own hands, and to make it more interesting, they have added their own stories into it, ma'am. So stories about stories of stories, it's become a complete myth, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. There are some nowadays. They have in India also, ma'am. They're not famous because in Bermuda Triangle, they publish it mostly in magazines. So
Yes, ma'am, in London, ma'am. In London, yes.
but thrillers they publish or these kinds of novels they publish, then it became more famous. That's when all these things started happening, ma'am. Because
It
such a
became
small thing,
famous.
they just make it big, ma'am.
Ma'am, I sent a
Famous
video
during the
in
World War
ma'am.
II, ma'am, when a squadron of bomber jets of the US Air Force and another ship called the USS Cyclops went missing, ma'am.
Like F-19 aircraft.
And they said that the ma'am actually
Nothing is a new model.
not just Bermuda Triangle, there's 9 other places across the globe in which the gravitation and the radiation is really wonky. A scientist published it in 1896, I think, like 9 other places.
Sudashini, you got information, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Somewhat
Just because of its place, ma'am. Because how can an experienced pilot be missing, ma'am? It's just because of the weather, ma'am.
And one more thing, ma'am, like in the F-19 jets, the leader who was leading it, he was completely different, ma'am. He just came from America to Florida at that time only, ma'am. So that time he was totally confused, ma'am.
That's what,
He
ma'am.
followed
Actually,
different rules, ma'am. That's the basic thing. He went somewhere, ma'am. Instead of saying F-19, instead of going to Florida, he said Miami. So that means he just totally got confused.
Okay.
an entire story on that. They say that the compasses they were using went haywire. So they went in a completely different direction.
Okay.
Ma'am, so because of compass, they get confused and then they go in different direction, ma'am. And how can they just travel 196 kilometers in just 4 seconds, ma'am? It's just because of, our person and the other weather condition.
It's
Ma'am, if
really
they travel like that, it'll be like
stories
supersonic,
surrounding it.
ma'am. It'll be supersonic, ma'am. They'll just burn, ma'am, inside that. It'll be so hot if you do in that speed.
Okay.
Actually, nowadays, most of the facts we're not sure about.
Good. Okay. Children, okay, next class we will see about gravitational force. Now it's time up. You take rest and get ready for the next class.
What about your landmarks, ma'am?
Landmarks you want, That actually that from exam department they said they will give the report card. So there is no instruction from principal regarding that posting of marks. Anyway, we will.
Ma'am, other teachers and all showed our marks.
Oh, sure. Okay, no problem. I'll post the marks. What is it?
Okay,
I will return. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.